Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink and today's topic is Drive by Joe Bonamassa. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. This way you get notified when new uploads are uploaded or live streams are starting. So, Drive, I just learned the song. I hope I still remember it. It's really a cool song, I really love it. And I worked out a version, probably that's the real version, which really is cool, and this is how it sounds. And so on. It's a really cool song, I really love it. It's basically a minor blues in E minor, and there's one riff which just repeats itself on E minor, on A minor, and the rest is more bluesy improvisation. So let's check it out. When one does cover tutorials, there's always somebody complaining that it's not the way it's played. So just for explanation, I worked at a version and checked the video which position you might play it, but there are several ways of doing it, and this way is the one which I find is the most convenient one. So we have this little riff here, 7, 7, 4, and then this little chord, 7, 5, E minor. Either play those two strings or with the open E string. And that's probably the one Joe Bonamassa is also doing, because when you watch the video, he's playing in this position. Because you also could play it here. Yeah, I will go more for this one here. But because somehow it sounds better. But he's playing it here. And then it starts on two ends, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then 7, 5, 7. Then comes a E power chord, either here, 7, 9, or here, 2, 4. Here on the D string, G string, here on the A string, D string. Which one you select is up to you. This one has a little bit more crunch, this one a bit more punch. So, and he's using a Duesenberg guitar with a tremolo arm, but you can make this vibrato effect like, see, just pressing against the guitar and, see. Yeah. So this is played twice. Let's play it without backing track. Backing track is just some kind of a similar to what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It's also possible that he plays first here and second time here, because the second time it has more crunch than punch. So it's up to you. Then the same thing happens on A minor. So 2, 2, 4. This chord here, 7, 5. And then again, 7, 5, 7 to A5 with open A string, second fret, D string and G string. Then the first riff comes again. This time it probably goes down here because it has to continue down here. Because then it goes to B minor, but he's playing this one here. Here, second fret, and then he goes here in the 5th fret to 2nd. Same rhythm figure as before. It starts on one end, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Oh no, it's like this. Like this. On the A minor. 5 to 2. And then comes the rhythm figure from the beginning again. It's really pretty simple, but really cool. And what is really important is the sound settings and your expression with the vibrato and letting this distortion work out this crunch and punch. So I'm going to play the whole thing for you again. A minor, just let ring, do nothing. Yep. So when the singing starts, it's really simple. You just play D5 to E5 here, and it's a little anticipation and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And this comes on one end. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. And so 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And when it goes to A minor, you just play the A minor chord like this and just let ring. Really simple. When it comes to B minor, you just play this chord. 4, 3, 2. Then again A minor. And then this. Yeah, folks, that was Drive by Joe Bonamassa, the rhythm guitar. It's really simple. But simplicity is not that makes it simple to play, because the way of expression with the vibrato, the distortion develops. It's all stuff that needs a lot of feeling, a lot of knowledge on the guitar. So really pay attention that you have the things together and work out that this distortion which you have develops the way it should. Yo, one more to say, you can download the tabs and the backing track in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. The link is in the description box below. And yeah, I don't know what more to say. Yeah, of course, the way I showed it is not 100% the way it's played. It can be variations. As I said, different ways of doing the same thing. I picked the one which I thought from the sound would be the one which are played. Yeah, so one more to say. If you love what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Google, or Spotify. And me and Dr. Pink are signing off.